Garuda Express, an international courier service. Hello and welcome to YoYo TV. This is Sheena Saluja. Well, the Bahubali craze is currently going huge, and to hype the craze, we are all set at Amrapali to give you an exclusive show of the Bahubali jewelry, which is purely associated with Amrapali. For knowing more about this jewelry, let's talk to the store manager, Miss Kavita. So yes, knowing more about the Bahubali collection, now we have Miss Kavita with us, who is going to tell us more about the collection. So hi Miss Kavita, please welcome to YoYo TV.
Thank you, Sheena. Thank you very much.
So the craze of Bahubali is going crazy. We see customers flowing in and the whole thing going out. So tell us, how is it all coming up?
It's beautifully coming up, and we are really, really proud to be associated with such a magnum opus such as Bahubali, actually.
So coming on to the collection, ma'am, so it's been like I see wonders done over here. So one of them is with us. You've been discussing us with the collection. So tell us more about how it has all been concepted.
This is the concept is basically depending on the storyline and then characterization. Actually, wow, they are so specific. They were so specific about the characters and then how they want to, dress them up. Each character and then each character into each scene. They were so specific, and then we had to work really, really hard to reach their levels. Actually, we had to make thousands of sketches, and then out of thousands of sketches they selected, and then we had to turn them into real jewelry. Sketches is one thing, again turning the sketches into the piece of jewelry is another thing, actually, task. And then we dedicated huge team to get the jewelry done totally, and it's been a huge project for Amrapali as well. And then we worked almost 1.5 years to make it into the real time jewelry.
So
And
speaking more about the collection, we have like these have been worn by Anushka, I guess.
yeah,
Yes.
few of these pieces are worn by Anushka, and then this is exclusively made for her, actually. When we are looking at the space, you can see a flower here. Yeah, that is like sunflower, and then you can see the flower, and then these little ghungru. So there is entirely entire jewelry, head to toe jewelry done based on this concept, the flower and gunguru concept actually.
See more of the hair.
Of course, this is a hairpin here, and then we have, see, look at this. These are pile,
Okay, this is so beautiful.
really beautiful actually, you know. And then this is even touring. There is even touring. Like that is what I mean when I said head to toe jewelry.
Yeah.
Literally head to toe jewelry, you know.
And we see several crystal concepts also here.
Yeah, I mean, this is done for another sequence. The entire set, like the way we did the flower concept, the crystal concept also done for entire body, total head to toe again. So, like this, we have done several various concepts. This is for, we are talking these concepts done for Anushka, and of course, we did the same thing for other characters as well. Say, Shivagami character, it could be she's a queen mother in the movie, and then they wanted a specific kind of jewelry for her, those big tops. Like, she has to be royal at the same time. Elderly looking mother of Bahubali and then Ballala Deva. So we had to match their expectations, and we have given them the way they want it to be.
No doubt they have been like immensely coming out. So tell us more about Amrapali. Like, how far is that been the journey with Bahubali?
It's been a wonderful journey, Sheena. I should tell you, I've been personally associated with them for past 1.5 year. I mean, I've been the link between Jaipur and Bahubali, actually, you know. See, whatever they want, they used to convey to me, and then I used to convey the same to my team in Jaipur, and then we all worked together, and it's a beautiful journey together. And then now it's a kind of happiness that everything went so well, and then we are really, I mean, I'm feeling a kind of sad to be parting with the team and all.
It's like a family party.
Absolutely, it's been really a nice. We made nice friends over there, you know. All with all. The
And more about Amrapali. So it's based in Jaipur, the main headquarters. You tell us it's all based in Jaipur. So how is it over there?
It's been, see, we have, as I told you, we have been a special team dedicated to Bahubali movie, and then they were quite coordinative. Really, they worked hard towards the project actually. I mean, of course, Bahubali team has approached Jaipur, though we know them, through us they approached Jaipur directly. They have made certain contacts, or you know how it works when it comes to getting onto the board for such a big project. Actually, there were certain things done in Jaipur, and then everybody, like, we were really involved in the project actually, I should say.
So one piece what I see is of Kattappa here, which is a single piece here, which Kattappa wore in the whole movie, and it's really good. So this is the Kattappa piece you should have if you're a Kattappa craze, like why did Kattappa kill Bahubali? So for that you've got to wear this too. So tell us a little things involved around it. Like from the first movie, it is there.
It is there. He throughout the movie he wore only one piece. As I said, we were involved in first movie Bahubali 1 as well, but then only partially. It's not official though. But then we did certain pieces for them, and then that's how we came on board for the second movie actually. You know, this is a one, as you said, throughout two movies Kattappa wore only one piece actually, the single one actually. We have given multiple pieces of the same, so that even though it is torn, it is broken or anything, there is always a replacement of the same piece actually.
Okay, so Kattappa has it always, though it's not there. So another piece, the beautiful one, what I see is the pearl range, which has also been made for Anushka, no doubt. So we have more of it, the mang tikka and the earrings, which are like so beautifully made. I love it.
You can also see the nut here, It's such a beauty it is, Sheena.
It's the love scene between Prabhas and I'm sorry, it's the love scene between Bahubali and Anushka Devasena. So this was the nose ring which she was wearing.
Yeah.
You would surely notice it in the video songs and the movie for sure. So for sure a beautiful piece.
This is actually entire set. The earrings, the tika, and then the nose pin. This is prominently shown on her face,
Okay.
Though there are other pieces such as bangles and the neckwear, these pieces would show very well.
Okay.
And then there you go, the bangle, the beautiful bangle here with the pearls, and then the little
Latkan thing. So
okay.
pretty.
So similarly, we have created this concept for Anushka, and then as I was showing you this, the flower concept for Anushka, and then there are crystals, and there are other concepts also, such as multicolor concept. There is one multicolor concept. If you want to, so I can get you a couple of pieces. थोड़ा यहाँ पर रखेंगे, अगर आप ये देखेंगे तो ये देखिए आप मल्टी कलर्स में, इसमें पूरा मल्टी कलर्स, आई मीन 2-3 कलर्स एक्चुअली, इट्स क्वाइट कलरफुल. It depended totally on the outfits and then situation of certain character actually. That is how they wanted, that specific how they were, you know.
That's
What
really
colors they want, everything actually.
So that was the whole outfit base. Then they were so specific.
Specific.
And that's what goes behind making a history, no doubt.
Absolutely, yeah.
These are the
So many people are involved in to make a, you know, all these things. It's not like a day, or it's not like a month, it's not like a person or two.
It's just a journey, a family going on a journey. I guess.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes. So there are more pieces behind us, ma'am. So tell us more about it. Like who wore it and something. If we can always
See,
relate to
these
it.
kind of balls, usually big and small size. Oh, don't have the bigger size balls as of now. You can see these balls worn by
Shivagami.
no Prabhas. That is Amarendra Bahubali, basically. The father character of Prabhas actually. So the big and layers of the balls actually, and then you can see this is plated, of course, but then we can figure out this in silver was on his arm, on this specific poster. When so this is one piece. This you can observe this on Prabhas' arm on this poster where he is climbing on the elephant. So that is in silver. So I mean various pieces used for various people, such as, see, there is this Devasena's kingdom, and then there were going to be all the kings and queens and all those characters, supportive characters, n number of pieces for n number of characters. Every character won Amrapali pieces.
So everyone was in, you know, a rung of Amrapali, if we would be so precise about it. So yes, this was Sheena at Amrapali showing you all this of Bahubali jewelry, where Amrapali is purely associated with Bahubali, the conclusion. Do watch the movie and tell us the collection. How do you feel it? You can always come down here and purchase it for yourself to feel the king and the queen for yourself. Feel the royalty. So yes, this is Sheena signing off. Have a great day.
మనం ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనం బాహుబలి మూవీకి వాడిన జ్యువెలరీ అంతా మీరు చూడొచ్చు. దీనిలో మనకి ఇవంతా ఈ జ్యువెలరీ అంతా మనము వేరియస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ కోసము, అనుష్క, ప్రభాస్ కోసం వాడిన జ్యువెలరీ, అలాగే దేవసేన దట్ ఈస్ అనుష్క అగైన్, అండ్ దెన్ శివగామి కోసం వాడిన జ్యువెలరీ అంతా చూడొచ్చు. చాలా వెరైటీస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఇది చూస్తే చాలా మంచి నెక్లెస్, చాలా బాగా కనిపిస్తుంది ఇది, విత్ ఫ్లవర్స్ అండ్ దెన్ గోల్డ్లో కనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ దెన్ ఇదంతా సిల్వర్లో చేసిన జ్యువెలరీ, దీని మీద గోల్డ్ ప్లేటింగ్ చేసి ఉన్నారు. అలాగే మనము ఇంకొకటి చూస్తే ఇది చూడండి, చాంద్బాలి, కానీ చాలా ట్రెడిషనల్గా కనిపిస్తుంది, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అదే హెవీ వర్క్లో చేసిన చాంద్బాలి. అండ్ దెన్ మన దగ్గర టెంపుల్ జ్యువెలరీ కూడా చేసాము వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సినట్టుగా. అలాగే ఇక్కడ మనం చూస్తే ఇక్కడ మల్టీ కలర్లో ఉంది, అలాగే పర్ల్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. అన్నీ కూడా చాలా మొత్తం అంతా బాహుబలి జ్యువెలరీ, బాహుబలి మూవీ కోసం చేసిన జ్యువెలరీ ఇదంతా.
Well, in love with the collection of the Amrapali, which is associated purely to Bahubali, the conclusion, do not miss to come down and check out the jewelry for yourself and also purchase it. This is Sheena Saluja signing off for YoYo TV. Have a great day ahead.